Okay, February 1st, 2011, Chicago, Illinois. Holy shit. Going out in this. Oh, wow. Check out that. Thunder. It's a thunder snowstorm. I forgot my rope, so you guys can pull me back in.
Oh my God.
It was really bad.
Like a snow globe out here. Oh, wow.
Okay, let's get back inside before we turn into sand on the snow globe.
Pictures, Dave.
I am. Oh man, there's a lot of snow. That's like really bad. Okay, one more quick shot. Oh man, I'm freezing.
Dude, it's fucking bad.
Yeah, lights are flickering. It is going down.
Holy fuck.